April 2021 market trends, deep dive into Hillsboro. But first, interest rates remain in the low threes, so still a very desirable rate for home buyers, giving them tons of purchasing power. And now to Hillsboro. Hillsboro's median sold price increased 8% between April 2019 and April 2020, and increased 15% between April 2020 and April 2021. You can see via the red line, April days on market has been at or below 10 days for the past 3 years. You can see via the white line that homes sold remained the same between April 2019 and April 2020, and then increased within the last year. And lastly, Hillsboro has a demand of 164 homes and a supply of 64 homes, which equals 0.39 months of housing inventory. Definite need for some more inventory in Hillsboro. I hope you found this information helpful. I've included a link below for more details and analysis at my website, homemadeportland.com. Have a great day, and I'll see you next month.